I've got a hairball in my throat.
Ooh, do you hear that? What is that? Hey kids.
Hi.
It's me, Kit, the Explorer, and
Miles.
and we're here at the dinosaur park in Ogden, Utah, and I hear some dinos. Oh my gosh, and look at these dinos. I see Martiasaurus, who's a big meat eater, and Allosaurus, another meat eater, Utah Raptor, Ceratosaurus, and Deinonychus. They're all meat eaters, and they're just a few of the dinos that we're gonna see here at the dinosaur park. What sound does dinosaur start with, Miles? D. D. Can you say D, kids? You put your tongue to the top of your mouth and say D, 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 dinosaur. Can you say that?
Dinosaur.
Good job. Let's go. Look at some dinos. Come on. Whoa. Oh my goodness. What's happening here? That looks like a T-Rex. And he just chomped a dinosaur called Parasaurolophus. Oh my gosh. What do you say to the kids at home? What do you think? Is it spooky? It's crazy. T-Rex was one of the biggest carnivores to ever live. And carnivore means that a dinosaur or an animal eats meat or other animals and nothing else. Humans eat meat and we also eat vegetables, which means we're omnivores. That means we eat everything. But T-Rex ate nothing but other dinos. Like these. Look, there's some more dinos. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's a Utah Raptor. Did you know that the Utah Raptor is the largest raptor found from the dinosaurs? It looks like he's jumping out at us, huh? Can you pretend to be a Utah Raptor? How do you think they ran around? That's right. They probably ran around so fast, the Utah Raptor would grow to be around 18 feet long. Whoa! And do you see those sharp claws? They would use their sharp claws to catch their prey. Their sharp claws are a little bit like the talons on eagles today.
Ah, I love having sharp talons. Hey, are you admiring my talons? That's okay with me. I love my sharp talons.
Except way bigger. What would you do if one of those was chasing you? I'd probably run away. Let's run away to those other dinos that I see. Come on. Come on, kids. I see some more dinos. These dinos that I see are dinos that would fly around in the sky. Wow, look at how huge they are. These dinosaurs are pteranodons. They would fly through the air. Should we pretend to be a pteranodon? What sound do you think the pteranodon made? What sound should we make when we pretend to be pteranodon? Caw! These dinosaurs would fly through the air. Come on, let's fly through the air. Caw! 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 Look at how big baby pteranodon was. These babies are bigger probably than most birds that are alive today. And look how big the mama pteranodon would get. Wow. Look at how huge. I wouldn't want that mama pteranodon after me. Yikes. I see some more dinosaurs. Should we go further into the park, Miles? What do you think? Sounds good to me too. Come on. Whoa, I see two really cool things here. This dinosaur is called Stygimoloch, and he's related to Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus and Stegomolic had bony heads. If you look up there, whoa. Stegomolic and Pachycephalosaurus had bony heads, and they'd smash their heads together like sheep or deer do today.
Yep. Just looking for somebody to butt heads with. Nobody wants to? Yeah, that's alright, I'll just eat some grass.
That when they bent their head down, it lined up their spine in one straight line. So when they smacked heads, their spines didn't break. That's amazing. You shouldn't do that with your brothers and sisters, because bonking heads, boink, isn't very fun, is it? But guess what? There's no more dinosaurs today, are there? What happened to them?
The dino triangle
Yeah, they died a long time ago, and they're buried in the earth. And guess what? I see a spot where we can dig up dinos. I see some dinosaur brushes, and we can, look, I found some dino bones. Let's dig these dino bones out, Miles. We can do the same thing that paleontologists do. What they do is dig out dino bones. Miles and I are digging out a dinosaur skeleton because the dinosaurs lived millions and millions of years ago. And now their bones are buried in the earth. And we can learn about dinosaurs and other ancient life by digging around and unearthing their remains. I see some giant dinosaurs. Let's go look at them, Miles. Oh, I see Raptor, another huge raptor. Wow, do you see the feathers on the arms? Dinosaurs are related to birds today. They're the closest relatives to dinosaurs that are still alive. In there, I see Elasmosaurus and Ichthyosaurus, which were ancient dinosaurs that would live in the ocean. Whoa! And those are some brave ducks down there swimming around. If I was a duck, yikes! I would be scared to swim around Ichthyosaurus and Elasmosaurus because they're carnivores. Oh man, let's go see what other animals we can find. I don't even know what this thing is. Let's go that way. We're heading into a foresty, leafy area, and I bet you that there's dinosaurs hiding around every corner. Should we go find them?
Yeah.
Let's go find them, come on. Come on, explorers. Do you see dinos in there? I don't see any dinos. But I see a dino over here. Whoa, 2 raptors. This raptor is called Austroraptor. And the raptor right behind you is called a kilobator. What crazy dinos. We're finding dinosaurs that I didn't even know existed. And that's probably just how paleontologists feel when they're digging up new dinosaur bones. Let's go see some more. A gigantic Spinosaurus. The ancient world was full of dinosaurs and carnivores and predators that were so big and scary. He had sharp teeth and jaws that could jump. Whoa! Can you say Spinosaurus? Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus.
Yes, that's right. The S sound is what his name starts with. S like a snake. Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus.
Yeah, could you kids at home try that? Spinosaurus. Wow. Huge, frightening, scary. But not all dinosaurs were like that. There were a lot of dinosaurs that were plant eaters and peaceful, and we're gonna go see them next. Come on! This dinosaur's name is Eolombius, and it was a big plant eater. And here's a little predator called Deinonychus. And just like today, how wolves and sheep and bears and elk all live together in a food chain where the elk eat grass and plants and the bears eat the elk, the same was true millions and millions of years ago, where some dinosaurs would eat other dinos and those dinos would eat plants. Wow! Let's go look at some other huge plant eaters. This is a Diplodocus, a big long-necked dinosaur that would eat plants, and it's in a fight with a predator. How scary! And come over here. Look at how huge this dinosaur is. Should we go stand under his legs, Miles? Come on! This dinosaur is called Brachiosaurus. Should we stand underneath Brachiosaurus? Whoa! Look at how huge he is. Is this such a big dino? Wow, a huge dinosaur. Brachiosaurus is at the very beginning of a dinosaur park. Let's go play, Miles. So Miles and I are gonna play and have some fun on the dinosaur park. But we're sure glad that you kids came to join us on this dinosaur adventure to check out some dinosaurs. What do you think? Should we say goodbye to the kids at home? Okay, kids, we're gonna go play. And parents, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at Kit Explores. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Sharp teeth? And what does that mean? It eats meat. That means it's a carnivore. This dinosaur is called Gigantasaurus. It's so big. It's even bigger than T-Rex. And Gigantasaurus is standing next to a Margosaurus, which is one of the strangest looking dinos I've ever seen. Look at the big frills it has down its neck and on its back. That's pretty amazing.